ready to turn your TikTok obsession into a serious income stream. First, you'll need a TikTok account, so download the app if you haven't already and create a profile focusing on a niche you're passionate about. Next, head to the TikTok Seller Center website, not the app, to register as a seller while you may need to provide business information depending on your region. Now, the fun part, browse the TikTok Shop marketplace for products that resonate with your niche and audience. Look for items with good reviews and competitive commission rates. Time to create engaging content. Film short, authentic videos showcasing the product's features and benefits. Think tutorials, reviews, or even funny skits. Don't forget to add the affiliate product link to your video and use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. TikTok makes this seamless within the app. Finally, promote. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and consider running TikTok ads to reach a wider audience. Remember, consistency is key. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to mastering TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. Good luck!